just click on security and just click the show characters on your password, and you'll definitely see what is your password. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is Tutorcorate here, and today we will learn another setup tutorial on how we are able to determine our Wi-Fi password. So as you can see right here, I am already connected to our home Wi-Fi, which is named as IDK_Wi-Fi. So it has been already connected and secured. So for some reasons, sometimes we forgot what our password is. So supposing that we need to connect another device to the same Wi-Fi, but we could not remember our password. So it's very easy to remember those passwords if you already have a list. But if you don't have a list, there's no problem. You can definitely find that password from your computer. So as you can see right here, we have this Windows computer. This is Windows 10 specifically. So what we're going to do is just to right click on this Wi-Fi icon. And for some reason, sometimes this Wi-Fi icon will not be found on the taskbar. So it will be found on this group. So just click this arrow here to show that one, and you can drag that Wi-Fi icon back to your taskbar. So what you can do is just right click on that and select Open Network and Internet Settings, and we will find here the Network and Sharing Center. So you can see it here. Alright, so on our Network and Sharing Center here, you will see these icons. So definitely you can see this screen if we are on the same operating systems. So we need to click this one, this Wi-Fi icon right here, and another dialog box pops out. And what we're going to do is to click on wireless properties, so we will see the password. So as you can see here, there are two tabs. We have security and connection. Just click on security and just click the show characters on your password, and you'll definitely see what is your password on your Wi-Fi. Alright, so that is our tutorial for today, and once you're done, you can copy that password and enter it on another device for you to be able to connect it on the same Wi-Fi. So that's all for today. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you find this video tutorial useful enough, you can share this to your friends and your colleagues. So that's it, and have a great day.